And I can't believe that we started out as just friends.
What's up, Bree gang? And I'm back again, finally, with a new video. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I'm gonna start back posting because I've been gone for a long while. And as y'all can see, yes, it's a new setup because I got a new room. I'm in a new place. But anyways, as y'all can see by the title, I'm doing a story time when I had a dream that I died. The crazy part about it is I died by my dog. That's weird, ain't it? Okay, y'all, so it was like it was this length too. This was yesterday. Okay, so y'all, in a dream, this gonna be short, I know it's gonna be short, but in a dream, I was in my sister's room, and the dog was in the house. Cause we used to have, when we first got our dog, she used to be a house dog, but my daddy put her outside in the pen. And the dog was, so she was in the house, and at first we were just playing with her, and then I don't know what happened with it, but then the dog, she started biting me. She started biting me, and I was running around the room. Yeah, this was in my dream, but I don't feel right, so I had to tell it. And I was running around the room, and she was like biting me like I did something to her or something. Like I'm somebody that she'll know that she was attacking me.
Got him! Got him!
And blood was on my body. And my sister, she wasn't even doing that. She just was laughing, trying to get the dog. Like, what they gonna do? What they gonna do? Nothing. And this how I'm finna tell y'all how I woke up out of that dream. Okay, so I was just running around, and then the dog started chasing me. She stand still. Then I was on my sister's bed crying, and I can look at the thing in my head. I wasn't at this age either. I was younger, and it's weird because I ain't had a dog when I was younger. This weird, but anyways, how I woke up was I was standing on my sister's bed. I was still crying, and I was holding myself. And then the dog was at the end of the bed. And then the dog just jumped in my face, and I just woke up. Like, you know how the horror movie read it? I was like, that was weird, and I was scared. I don't know what's going on. And I wasn't the only one that had a dream like that. Let me see about this time. So I got a school friend. She used to come over my house, and she told me that she had a dream that it was a lady that killed her. And it was weird, cause I don't know her, but it was a girl that posted that she died 3 times in her dream the same day I had my dream. And that's weird, cause things happening in this world these days, and the coronavirus really doing too much because they got us on curfew, and I'm not listening to it at all. Period. And anyways, but yeah, I know this video was short, but that's what I had to tell y'all. And y'all can give me some suggestions on what kind of videos I should do down below in the comment section. And I'm gonna do a Q&A. I should do it today, right after this video, but I'm not gonna put too much pressure on myself. But anyways, yep, that was the story time. Make sure y'all like, comment. Wait, before y'all do anything, make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok, Bria is famous. Then follow my IG, I am that girl _Bria. And yup, it will be in my intro. Tell me if y'all like my intro. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
But we had something special since we shared our first kiss. How could I forget it?